I want to give you guys a strategy for easy pips on gold every day, which you can make at pre-market, post-market, in Asian session, pre-market London session, and pre-market New York session, and post-market London session, which means before Asian session opens, which is the Tokyo session, before London session opens, before New York session opens, and after London session closes at 5 p.m. UK time. Okay, I'll give you easy peasy strategy, which is 100% mechanical. You can just take a pending order and let it run for, let's say, 50 pip in Asian session, 30 pip in London session, 50 pip at the start of New York session, and 50 pip in at the end of London session. Okay, so the strategy goes this way. I'll first of all, before you come to the start of the session, I've got some indicators which is plotting Asian session, London session, and you will see New York session as well. Okay, so what you need to see is, so I've got this indicator, then I've got 5 EMA, which is 5-minute chart. Okay, so for a start, what you need to do is, when you come to the chart before start of any session, what you need to do is you need to mark your structure, the recent structure. Okay, so here the Asian session started, so I need to mark the high of that structure and the low of that structure. Okay, the recent high and low of that structure on 5-minute chart. So once you mark it, what you can do is you can leave a pending order. So you can leave a buy stop over here, okay, at the break of the structure on the buy side, and sell stop at the break of the structure on the sell side. Okay, and what you can do is you can leave your stop loss. Let's say you took the trade, you left a pending order here, buy stop. Your stop loss should go up below the structure low. Okay, if you take the, if you put the sell stop, your stop loss should go above the structure high. Okay, and you let it run. Over here, your sell position got triggered. Okay, Asian session, you put your TP for 50 pip, or let's say you put for 30 pip. Okay, it's up to you. Some days it keeps running for 100 pip, 150 pip, some days it's 50 pip, some days it's 30 pip, but you are taking 4 trades in a day. Okay, 4 trades in a day. So to be on conservative side, just leave it for 30 pip basically. Okay, because I have traded this way as well and I've made consistent money. So I just wanted to share with you guys what other setups I've been trading without headache. Okay, so there you go, your TP hit. Okay, for Asian session. Now before London session starts, you do the same. You mark your structure, so that is your structure high. Okay, and that's your previous structure low, or you can use the previous structure low. Okay, and let's say your short position got triggered here. Okay, your stop loss was here, which is the lot, which is the big stop loss, and then that's your TP, okay, 30 pip. So even though your stop loss is bigger, but your TP got already hit. Okay, what I do is, in this case, if the stop loss is coming to be very big, if the previous structure was really big, I don't put my stop loss so big. I just leave my stop loss to 50% or even lower than that. Yeah, the small structure before that, I do that, whichever is the closest one. So this TP got hit. This is the example from today. Okay, so I'm going, for example, for tomorrow now. Let's see what happened. Okay, after market yesterday, after a London session yesterday, market didn't do very well. It didn't trigger any of the orders. Basically, it was inside market. So that's fine, because as you know, gold is consolidating on a bigger time frame right now. It is waiting for the NFP news, so there is no movement at the moment. You can just do small scalpings, 30 pip, 50 pip scalpings. And then if you go to the pre-New York session yesterday, this was the structure, and the lowest structure was this one. Okay, that is the high, that is the low of that structure before New York session open. Okay, so your short position got triggered here, your stop loss was there, and you wanted to take 50 pip, 30 pip maybe, let's say 30. If you are looking at the chart and if you're comfortable with the trade, you can let it run, or you can trail your stop loss, but your 30 pip got hit already here, somewhere here. Okay, that's the 30 pip. Okay, you got the trade. Now you go to pre-London session, you mark your recent high, you mark your recent low. Okay, your short position got triggered here, stop loss goes there, and you got the trade. And the next one was here, your structure high, your structure low. Okay, in this instance, I think it triggered your TP trade, but didn't hit. It hit your stop loss, I think. Let me see how many pips was this. Oh, it gave 30 pip already. Okay, see, so this is very consistent, guys. If you're taking this trade 4 times a day, okay, consistently you're doing it, you will end up in profit. Because I have traded this way as well. When I was very confused with trading, like a year ago maybe, I was sticking to this trade strategy, and I was making money every week. Okay, because you get 4 opportunities every day. Okay, if you are up, if you are awake during Asian session, you can take that trade. But definitely you can do London, then you can go to sleep, or you can go about your day. New York definitely you can do, and then you can also take after London session as well, because after London session, when London session closes, it does give you trade. Yeah, definitely it does give you trade. You see, if you see here, this was the London session structure, this was the recent one, and short position got triggered here. This was the short position trigger, that was the stop loss, and you targeted 30 pip. So you already got 30 pip here. Okay, not the same day, but next day you got it. So you can also exit your trade if you're not happy with the trade, but consistently you can make money with this strategy. Okay, alright guys, that was a short one. Hope you liked it.